After you've created the tables, one of the first things you want to do is to apply the foreign key constraints, also called referential integrity. And the reason you do this is to avoid things like update and deletion and insertion anomalies. These are conditions that are created if there are no enforced rules from table to table that would ensure that your cross-table data integrity stays consistent. So, for instance, you never want to have lines in the order detail table that don't have a corresponding order header. You never want to have an order without a buyer. Those are the kind of integrities you want to maintain in the database. And you can, on the back of a napkin even, just go ahead and sketch out what the integrity relationships should be from table to table, something like I've done right here. So let's go ahead and get moving on this. We're going to use CIAC, and the command is to alter the table. And in this case, I am putting a constraint on the order header table. So I am never going to have an order without a customer who already exists in the database. I'm going to add this constraint. I have to give it a name, and within a database, each constraint name has to be unique. So develop a naming convention for yourself that's easy to use, easy to remember, and very identifiable. Mine, I use FK for foreign key. The table, the constrained table to the constraining table, it's going to be a foreign key constraint. The constraining column is going to be customer ID. So I can never have a customer ID value in the order header table that does not already exist in the customer table. This in the order header table, the customer ID value then references the customer ID column in the customer table. If there is any chance that this table, these two tables, will end up in a replication schema in the future, right here, right now, put in not for replication. We'll go ahead and apply this. And what I'm going to do with the rest of my constraints is just go ahead and run the script. There you go. If I have to drop a constraint, it's an alter table command. Drop the constraint, give it the name, execute it, and that's it for now.